Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today's video is going to be special because DJI may be getting ready to change FPV flying again. There are strong signs that a new drone is on the way. Many people are calling it the DJI Avata 360. And if the leaks are even close to true, this could be the most immersive drone DJI has ever made. So if you love FPV drones, cinematic flying, or just insane camera tech, stay with me till the end, because some of the details near the end might completely change. How you think about aerial videos. DJI Avata has already proven that compact FPV drones can be powerful, safe, and fun at the same time. The original Avata was designed for people who wanted the thrill of FPV without the fear of crashing expensive gear. It had ducted propellers, strong stabilization, and simple controls. But DJI is not a company that stays still for long. The idea behind Avata 360 is simple but bold. Combine FPV flying with full 360-degree video capture. That means you fly first, frame later. You focus on movement and speed, not camera angles. This is something creators have wanted for years. FPV gives you emotion and energy. 360 cameras give you freedom and flexibility. Putting both together in one flying system could be a game changer. Based on current information and industry patterns, DJI Avata 360 is expected to keep a compact and rugged design. The body is likely small, protected, and built for tight spaces. Ducted propellers should return. That means safer indoor flying and less risk when flying close to people or objects. Weight will be very important here. To keep flight time reasonable, DJI will likely use lightweight materials and a smart internal layout. It won't be a heavy drone. It needs to stay agile and responsive. Now let's talk about the camera. This is where things get really exciting. The DJI Avata 360 is expected to feature dual ultra-wide lenses, one facing forward, one facing backward. Together, they capture everything around the drone. This would allow full 360-degree video recording, while flying at speed, not cropped, not simulated, real immersive footage. Resolution is expected to be high. Signs point toward 5.7K or even 6K 360 video. That gives creators enough detail to reframe videos for YouTube. Instagram, TikTok, or VR. Low light performance will also matter a lot. DJI has been improving sensor quality with every generation, so expect better dynamic range, cleaner shadows, and stronger highlights compared to older FPV setups. Stabilization is another key area. DJI will likely use advanced electronic stabilization combined with horizon leveling. Even during fast turns and dives, the footage should stay smooth and WATCHABL. This is very important for FPV beginners. You get cinematic results without mastering. Complex manual flying. One of the biggest advantages of a 360 FPV drone is reframing. You don't need perfect camera angles while flying. You can focus on movement. Later, you choose the best angle in editing. This saves time, it reduces stress, and it opens creative possibilities that normal FPV drones can't offer. Flight. Performance will still be core to the Avata experience. The Avata 360 is expected to be fast, but controlled. Not racing drone fast, but fast enough to feel exciting. Expect multiple flight modes. It's a normal mode for smooth cinematic flying, a sport mode for more speed, and a manual mode for experienced pilots who want full control. DJI will likely tune the drone for stability rather than extreme aggression. That fits the Avata brand. It's about confidence, not chaos. Battery life is always a concern with FPV drones. Adding 360 cameras uses more power, so flight time may be slightly shorter than standard Avata models. Realistically, expect around 15 to 18 minutes per battery in normal conditions. That's still very usable for FPV flying. Charging will likely remain fast and convenient. USB-C charging, smart battery management, clear health indicators in the app. Now let's talk about the goggles, because DJI goggles are a big part of the experience. The Avata 360 is expected to work with DJI's latest FPV goggles. High-resolution displays, low-latency transmission, clear and immersive visuals. Watching live 360 footage while flying could feel unreal. You won't just see forward. You'll feel like you're inside the scene. DJI's digital transmission system should remain strong and reliable. Low lag is critical for FPV, and DJI has proven they are industry leaders in this area. Range should be solid, especially in open areas. Signal stability should remain a priority, even in complex environments. Controller options will likely include both motion control and traditional sticks. This gives beginners an easy entry point and gives pros the control they want. Safety features will also play a big role. Emergency braking, auto hover, turn to home functionality. Even though this is an FPV-style drone, DJI understands safety. These features help reduce crashes and protect your investment. Obstacle sensing may be limited. FPV drones usually rely more on pilot skill, but basic downward sensors could still be included for landing assistance. Now let's talk about software, because hardware is only half the story. DJI's editing apps are expected to support 360 FPV footage fully, easy reframing, quick exports. Social media presence. This is important for creators who want speed. You fly, you edit, you upload. No complicated workflows. No third-party software required for basic edits. For professional creators, advanced export options should still be available. High byte rates, flat color profiles, maximum flexibility in post-dash production. Now let's talk about who this drone is really for. The DJI Avata 360 is not just for FPV pros. It's for vloggers, travel creators, action sports filmmakers, YouTubers, and even beginners who want something exciting but manageable. It's about storytelling, dynamic movement, immersive visuals. If you make content for premium audiences, this drone could help you stand out. Your footage won't look ordinary. It will feel alive. Pricing is still unknown. But based on DJI's history, expect a premium price, not cheap. But justified by the technology, a full kit with drone, goggles, and controller may land in the higher range. But for creators, this could replace multiple devices. Release timing is also not officially confirmed. But DJI usually launches products. When they are fully ready, no rush, no half-finished features. When it arrives, it's expected to launch globally, including the US and other premium markets. And when it does, it could redefine what FPV content looks like online. Before we end, think about this. A drone that lets you fly fast, capture everything, and decide the story later. That's not just a new drone. That's a new way to create. If DJI Avata 360 delivers on these expectations, it could become one of the most talked about drones of the year. And that's why this launch matters. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure you're subscribed to Tap Tech. Because the moment DJI officially reveals this drone, we'll break down every detail. Real specs, real comparisons, and real-world value. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.